Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.33. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 2.17%. This equates to an average return of 0.54% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is likely. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 2.45% over the next 3 months. This could result in returns ranging from negative 2.03% to positive 7.57%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 31.02% over the next year, with potential returns between 25.21% and 39.13%. This would correspond to a price range of approximately $623.82 to $693.15 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for VOO ETF, after gaining 1.66%. The VOO ETF price increased by 1.66% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024. It rose from $490.07 to $498.21. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if it can maintain this upward trend or if it will take a slight pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.1%, reaching a low of $492.95 and a high of $498.37. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 0.03% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased by 340,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.6 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the market in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $519.40, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price is 4.08%, or $21.19, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. In recent trading news, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, commonly known as VOO, has captured attention amid a backdrop of market volatility. Over the past week, exchange-traded funds as a whole attracted a remarkable sum of $16.1 billion, with U.S. equity ETFs, including VOO, drawing in a substantial $9 billion. This influx indicates a growing investor preference for diversified investment options during uncertain times. Market analysts suggest that recent sell-offs may lead investors to hedge against risk by turning to index ETFs like VOO, which offer a set-it-and-forget-it investment strategy. Given the current backdrop of fluctuating jobless claims and geopolitical uncertainties, such strategies can be a comforting approach for many. Despite the recent turbulence, which included one of the S&P 500's worst days since the year 2022, the subsequent bounce back reflects both resilience in the market and an opportunity for investors to capitalize on the dips. VOO's performance, trading approximately 8.5% below its all-time high, aligns well with this strategy, as corrections are often seen as prime buying opportunities. In the short term, increased investment flows into VOO could spur price stability and potential growth, providing it with an upward trajectory as more investors seek refuge in its diversified structure. In the long run, continued investor confidence in VOO amidst market uncertainties could solidify its position as a go-to ETF for broad market exposure, thereby positively impacting its price over time. The following signals have been identified for VOO. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the Exchange-Traded Fund, or ETF. The VOO ETF currently displays a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $501.60. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find some support at $485.35 from the short-term average. A breakout above the long-term average will signal another buy opportunity, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the existing sell signal and strengthen the overall trend. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and the ETF has risen by 4.84% since then. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot emerges. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 179 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $489.91. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically trades at a substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is perceived to be low. During the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $5.42, which is an increase of 1.1% between its high and low. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.5%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $498.58. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $489.91. Should this support level hold firm, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $470.91, reflecting a decline of 5.48%. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF, has low daily movements, which indicates a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 20 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might consider holding or accumulating shares while waiting for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of August, we anticipate that VOO will open lower, down by $1.70, and begin trading at $496.51. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.